Welcome to Fishbone Off-Road's instructions on how to remove Chevy GMC's 07-13 Silverado front and rear bumper. Starting with the rear, Step 1. With a 19mm socket, remove the two nuts from each bumper nut plate, located just below each taillight. Followed by the neighboring nut with a 15mm socket. Finally, remove the first bolt from the hitch on each side with a 19mm socket. Step 3. Disconnect the license plate power harness and remove your trailer connector. Then, with the help of a friend, remove the bumper. Moving to the front, Step 1. With a 19mm socket, remove the two nuts from each frame side bumper bracket, followed by the two bolts on each bumper support rod. Step 2. Disconnect the fog lights from their power harness and with the help of a friend, remove the bumper. And you're done.